Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advanced Paper 2 Physics um in the year 2022. This question was from the topic of optics, that is refraction due to parallel slabs. This was a fairly easy question, straightforward one. I hope I feel that many students would have done this question in the exam. Also, this was based on +3 -1 marking scheme and this integer type question this was. That means the answer to this question was single digit integer. Um, and if you get this right, then you get +3. If you get this wrong, you get -1. If you leave this question, then you get 0. So let's see this question basically. Here, let us quickly understand what is happening over here. Here there are n units, and each unit contains three different mediums. So if you consider one particular medium, let me draw one particular medium over here. Okay. So if we talk about one particular medium, then that had one particular unit, not one particular medium. So if we talk about one particular unit, then it will have three different media. So basically, these are three different media. First one is air. So this is mu is equals to 1, and this is which is of thickness h. The next two media are of same thickness, which is d and d. D is having a value of root 3 minus 1 by 2. H has a value of 1 by 3. D has a value of root 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this H is 1 by 3. D is again the same. Mu of 2, that is second medium, is root of 3 by 2, and last one is root 3. So this is mu 1. So mu 1 is root of 3 by 2, and mu 2 is root 3. So what happens is that ray, like from one point source which is kept over here, we have to consider one particular ray that is incident at an angle of 60 degree on the second medium. So it will undergo refraction, which will be, the angle will be less. This alpha 1 angle will be less compared to the 60 degree, because the ray is entering a denser medium. Again, this angle will be alpha 1. it it will bend towards the normal. So this angle alpha 2, which will be further decrease, and again it will come into air. So we have multiple such units. So again, after this, unit 1 will keep on continuing in the same manner. तो basically क्या होगा, air में again it will enter at 60 degree. ठीक है? So this ray is going to enter again in the air at 60 degrees. ठीक? Now, we can find the value of alpha 1 and alpha 2 simply by using Snell's law. So that means 1 into sine 60, that will be is equals to mu 1, which is root 3 by 2, into sine of alpha 1, and will also be is equals to mu 2, which is root 3 into sine of alpha 2. So from here we can say alpha 1 will come out to be 1 by root 2. Sorry, sine of alpha 1 will come out to be 1 by root 2. So which will give us alpha 1 as 45 degrees. Similarly, from here, if you see sine of alpha 2 will come out to be 1 by 2. That will give us alpha 2 as to be, which will be equals to 30 degrees. Okay. Now, in this question, we have to first of all we have to basically find lateral, no, I mean deviation along the x-axis. That means the movement of the ray along the x-axis. So if you see this distance plus this distance plus this distance, okay. So if you call if you see this triangle, first green triangle that I'm drawing, so let's call this length to be L1. So it's very easy to see that L1 by H, that will be equals to tan of 60, right? So from here you can see that L1 comes out to be H tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. H is 1 by 3. So this will become 1 by root 3. Similarly, if you call this as L2, so it is very easy to see that L2 by D will be is equals to tan of alpha 1, which is 1. Sorry, tan of 45 degrees 1. So from here we can see that L2 will come out to be D itself, which is root 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay. And similarly, if we call this as L3, so from here L3 will be is equals to D tan 30. D is root 3 minus 1 by 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now, let's calculate the value of L1 plus L2 plus L3. So if you see L1 plus L2 plus L3, so that will be equals to 1 by root 3 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2 plus this will become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3. Okay. So what does this become overall? This will become root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 3 rather. Okay, and if you take 1 by 2 root 3 as LCM, so this will become 3 plus 1 4. So 4 by 2 root 3, that means this is 2 by root 3. So we realize that after crossing one particular unit, that means the combination of three slabs, the ray has moved along the x-axis by distance of 2 by root 3. So the question was asked that after crossing how many units, uh, which they called n. So after crossing n units, the ray had moved by 8 by root 3. So basically, we had to find the value of n. So very easily we can say that n will come out to be 8 by root 3 upon 2 by root 3, right? So this will become 4. So after crossing 4 units, ray would have moved by a distance of, by 8 by root 3 units along x-axis. Thank you.